Here I'm going to explain you how the in-depth particular inspection will look like and how the damages are looks like in that particular inspection. For example, now I'll be going inside the inspection by clicking view option in the inspection tab for particular inspection. So here we can see the damage stats, how the damages are looks like, what is the status of that particular damages, everything, each and every detail information for the particular inspection we can see in the detailed screen. Here for the first click we can see here the first front image of the car, image of the uh, uh, car image here, and also the what is the number plate of that, and each and every detailed information of that particular inspection, what is the license plate and when it got created, when is it inspection is got approved or still it is in the in review, and what is the mileage we have given, and what is the location we have, and on which device we have created this inspection, and who is the user for this particular inspection, and on which location they have created that particular location also it will get captured here. And if we want to move this particular inspection for any reason to the review, and if we want to do any changes here, just by clicking the review, this particular inspection will move into the in review state from the approved state. So if we want to do any changes, or if we want to uh, reject any particular damage or anything, we can do that also. So here also we can see the detailed damage inspection. What is the damage, for what reason, what are the dents are there in this particular damage. Each and every details we can see on the damage details tab. And next we have the car images. Here like how many images we have uploaded, all the particular car images we can see here, and we can click next, and this next like continuously we can see the next car images as well. If we want to do zoom in, and we can do the zoom in and zoom out and reset, and if, likewise, and for what is the position of that particular car images, that one, that also it will show here. And next we have the dynamic form. If any questions are added for this particular inspections to add answer, so that particular dynamic form data also we can see here. If any damages got rejected, so that particular rejected damage also we can see in the rejected tab. And next the export. Since this inspection is not moved to approved, or it not submitted, it is in review, export pdf is disabled. Once this inspection is moved to approved, then this particular export pdf will get enabled, and we can see the generated report for this particular inspections by downloading or exporting the pdf. So here if we open one, before that I'll show here, yeah, export pdf, now it got enabled. So likewise, if we go in depth of each and every damage here, we can see what is the damage it is, what is the damage type, and what is the location, what is the part of this one, and whether it is got detected by AR or user added manually this damage. That detection also we can see here. If we want to change any severity, we can change. If it is the old damage, I mean this damage is already present in the previous inspection of the same number plate car, so we can mark this one as the old, or else it will be new only. If we want to change any part, we can change it from this option. And if we want to give, say if it is a good catch, and we can give the thumbs up. If it is a bad catch, we can give. If it is a money shot, so likewise we can give the likes or dislikes as well for the damages. So here we can see the multiple damages are marked. This is called group damaging. So here on the one particular part, if there are multiple damages are detected, so we can group those all damages together, and we can show them. So in this particular part, so these are the grouped damages are detected. So that is the reason these all damages are got grouped. Individual damages also we can see. If see in this particular part, there is only one damage is detected, so it is showing only one damage. So likewise, detailed damage information also we can see. If we want to change anything, we can change or reject, we can submit it, and then we can submit the inspection. So this is how it looks like in depth of the uh, damage or details. And if I want to show you how the damaged dynamic form looks like. I'll just open the one more inspection to show that. Here we can see the dynamic form inspections. If I open any one of the dynamic form inspection, I can see here how the questions are generated and what are the answers the user has given. What is if we have asked any user to add any images, they can add the images and they can answer for that particular questions. So this is called dynamic form. If I wanted to export this PDF, we can export this PDF as well. We can find the PDF details as well. Since here this is only the checklist inspection. So here we are not uploading any images, only we are answering the question and answer. So we can see only the question answers in the tab. So next, same likewise, if I open any particular inspection and if I want to do any export, we can do that also by clicking that, and we are that particular exported inspection, we can find it here, the report of that particular inspection. Yes. Thank you. This is what we have in the damage details screen.